Buy one, take one property available at Seat Benedictos Realty. Hi guys, I'm back. This is Reb Corrine, your property investment partner. Buy this fully furnished one-bedroom condominium and get a free 160 square meters lot area at Aurora Heights, Sivuleg, Hingoog City. Just along the highway at Sitio Haruhay, 100 meters from Iluminada Garden Resorts. Grab this offer for only 7 million pesos only. The one-bedroom condominium is situated at Limkitkay Drive, Lapasan, Cagayan de Oro. It is just a few steps away to Limkitkay Mall and University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. It has a floor area of 31.19 square meters, fully furnished, ready for your next Airbnb business. Again, this is a buy one, take one property by which you will be able to enjoy a condominium within the city and also build your future dream rest house in a cool, refreshing place and enjoy the beautiful mountain view of Mount Sumagaya and Mount Balatukan, where nature meets elevated living. Book a free viewing now. So when's the best time to invest? It's now. Bye!